you know you're high, it's all on you, cause you the show shine. Let's get up, look around, everybody see what's going down. Fellas on the side, if you're on the wall, throw them dollars in the air, show me how you fall. Listen closely, so your attention's undivided. On the count of 3, I want the club divided. But just the way I came off, man, I'm gonna come off, man. Make it pop off, then what you wanna do? Wait, niggas wanna drink tonight. A few Apple Mars, I can't think tonight. See me hitting on you, cause I got a buzz. It ain't even round 2, this is Bunch Drunk Club. Understand the man behind the movement. Ace up, league in the back, about to hit the place up. Mommy, stay low, don't pick your face up. League got the bar, all my niggas is laced up. Come through 36 trucks outside. It's all in the day's work, keep it fly. Hypno got you speeding, mommy, work it back out. But keep it on the low, I'm about to black out. Let's get up, look around, everybody see what's going down. Ladies in the back, if you know you're high, it's all on you, cause you the show shine. Let's get up, look around, everybody see what's going down. Fellas on the side, if you're on the wall, throw them dollars in the air, show me how you
She said she heard me representing on the radio. She wants some tickets to a Northern League disco. She had a fly belly shirt stating Crystal. Put me by my side and asked me.
Let me break it down with another kind of rhyme for you fellas out there looking for a good time. Just move to the groove, let your body do the rest. Shake it to the left, and no, this ain't no test. Relax, who cares? Ain't nobody talking smack. Can't we all get along? Just give a bit of slack, cause life's too short to throw it all away. So get on the go on this player's holiday. Coming up with a bomb bass, and you give chase to the rhymes I be bringing to the mic in your face. What you gonna do when I come for you? Call you out to the stage with a battle for 2. Don't choke on the Bammer weed, cause you better have it all on the floor indeed. I come spitting fire, killing your desire, so you better be prepared to be calling me sire. Reminiscing about the past, back in the day when you and I were one. Nothing in the world could cover up the sun, looking up into the stars and wondering who we are. I'm living